Hello everyone, welcome again in your science class. As we all know that in our previous class we were done with our chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum. So today we are going to start with our chapter 6. So our chapter 6 is combustion and flame. Before we start with the meaning of combustion and flame, let us discuss one thing, that as you all know about the different kinds of fuels for various purposes that we use in our home, right, in industries and also in our automobiles, like cow dung, wood, coal, petrol, diesel, CNG, that is compressed natural gas, etc. All these fuels are used by us for our various purposes. You all are familiar with that, right? So you are also familiar with the burning of a candle, right? So let us discuss what is the difference between burning of a candle or a fuel like coal, right? So as you know that candle burns with a flame whereas coal does not. ठीक है, जब हम कैंडल को बर्न करते हैं तो एक फ्लेम आती है, राइट? सो कैंडल बर्न्स ऑलवेज विद अ फ्लेम, एक फ्लेम होगी, राइट? बट इफ वी बर्न, सपोज दिस इज अ पीस ऑफ अ कोल, if we burn this piece of a coal, then it will never give a flame, right? You all are familiar with this, right? Similarly, you will find many other materials that are burned without a flame, right? Now let us study the chemical process of burning and the types of a flame produced during this process, right? Now let us start with the combustion first. So what is combustion? So combustion is a chemical process in which substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat, right? जब कोई सब्सटेंस हमारा ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करके हीट को प्रोड्यूस करता है, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज combustion, right? So and the substance that undergoes combustion is known as combustible and it is also called as fuel. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज़ योर पीस ऑफ अ कोल, जब हम इसको जलाएंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और एयर, राइट, देन इट विल प्रोड्यूस हीट, it will give off heat, right? So it means the burning of this coal in the presence of air is known as combustion and the piece of coal is combustible, right? Or we can also say this piece of a coal as a fuel, right? The fuel that we used may be solid, may be liquid or may be a gas. Sometimes light is also given during combustion either as a flame or as a glow, right? जब हमारी प्रोसेस होते है, combustion होती है, तो कई बार क्या होता है, flame. For example, in a burning candle, we will see that a flame will be there and sometimes क्या होता है, हमारा सब्सटेंस ग्लो करना स्टार्ट कर देता है जब कंबस्शन होती है, राइट? यू कैन डू एन एक्सपेरिमेंट एट योर होम्स. दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज फॉर दैट combustion will always take place in the presence of oxygen, right? If there is no oxygen, then combustion will not take place. For that you can do an experiment at your homes. This is your homework. Just take a candle, burn it, right? You can see that candle will easily burn. After that, put a glass on that candle, right, like this. When you put a glass on this candle, you have to put the glass so that the base of a glass will not touch this flame, right? So आप उसके लिए आप कैंडल छोटी ले सकते हो, राइट? तो जब आप इसके ऊपर ग्लास रखोगे, राइट, तो आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करोगे, आफ्टर फ्यू सेकेंड्स कि जो हमारी कैंडल है वो बर्न नहीं हो रही, राइट? इट मीन्स दैट जब आपने ग्लास रखा ऊपर, इट मीन्स एयर उसमें नहीं गई, राइट? इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर द कैंडल विल नॉट burn, right? So this experiment will help us to show that combustion will always take place in the presence of air and in the absence of air combustion will never take place, right? One more example is here that you might have heard or you might have seen that when the clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish फायर, राइट। अगर किसी के कपड़ों में आग लग जाती है तो हम उसके ऊपर क्या डालते हैं, ब्लैंकेट, बिकॉज when blanket is here then no air will pass, right। एयर नहीं होगी, ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगी, तो जो कपड़ों में आग लगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक्सटिंग्विश हो जाएगी, राइट। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, as you all know that during extreme heat or summer, at some places dry glass catches fire from the grass, it spreads to trees and very soon the whole forest is on fire, and it is very difficult to control such fires, right। And you also seen that some things can easily catch fire and some things take a time to catch fire. For example, if we have to burn a piece of a paper, then it can easily burn, but if we have to burn a wooden stick, then it takes some time to catch fire, right। So different substances catch fire at different temperatures. So that is your next definition, that is ignition temperature, right। So what is ignition temperature? The lowest temperature at which a substances catches fire, सबसे कम टेम्परेचर जिस पे हमारा कोई भी सब्सटेंस फायर कैच कर ले, दैट इज योर इग्निशन टेम्परेचर। The combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature। मीन्स जितना टेम्परेचर हमारे सब्सटेंस को कम से कम चाहिए तभी हमारा वो सब्सटेंस बर्न करना स्टार्ट करेगा, राइट। अगर उसका टेम्परेचर इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से कम होगा तो वो कभी भी बर्न नहीं करेगा, राइट। सो लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल फॉर दैट। Suppose we have two paper cups. Here are two paper cups. One is empty, one which contains some water. These are the candles, right? You can see that the paper cup which is empty can burn, but the paper cup that contains some water cannot burn. This is because the heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to water by conduction. So in the presence of water, the ignition temperature of paper is not reached. हमने क्या बोला, कोई भी चीज़ तब जलती है जब उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर आ जाए। अगर टेम्परेचर उससे कम है तो वो चीज़ कभी भी बर्न नहीं होगी। सो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर जो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होगा पेपर का वो नहीं आ पाएगा। सो इसलिए हमारा जो पेपर है, जब उसमें हमने पेपर कप में वाटर डाला है तो वो बर्न नहीं होगा, बट जो पेपर कप हमारा एम्प्टी है दैट कैन बर्न ईजिली, राइट। सो द सब्सटेंसेज विच हैव वेरी लो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर एंड कैन ईजिली कैच फायर विद अ फ्लेम आर कॉल्ड इन्फ्लामेबल सब्सटेंसेज, राइट। ऐसे सब्सटेंसेज जिनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर बहुत ही कम हो और वो easily फायर कैच कर ले, दैट आर नोन एज इन्फ्लामेबल सब्सटेंसेज। सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इन्फ्लामेबल सब्सटेंसेज आर पेट्रोल। यू नो दैट अगर हम पेट्रोल के पास मैच स्टिक भी लाएं जरा सी तो वो बड़ी जल्दी फायर कैच कर लेता है, लाइक दैट LPG दैट इज यूज्ड बाय अस इन अवर होम्स, दैट इट कैन ऑल्सो कैच फायर वेरी इजीली, राइट। Some of other examples are alcohol, etc., right। These are some inflammable substances which can catch fire very easily, right। So this is done with your today's class, and next we will do in our next class. Thanks, have a great day.